INTERGEO is the world's largest GIS show, held each year in a different German community. This year, INTERGEO 2023 will be held in Berlin, October 10-12. Drones have been a critical tool in surveying since they became common in commercial use, and INTERGEO has adapted to showcase new drone technology and the software ecosystem. INTERGEO features the co-located Interaerial Solutions, offering a dedicated exhibition floor, live flight demos, and a stage for drone-focused sessions. In addition, this year INTERGEO announced they would add an unmanned systems theme, all about UAV technology. If you're attending INTERGEO next month, here are just some of the unmanned systems sessions you won't want to miss. Tuesday, October 10, 2023, 02:00 p.m. 03:00 p.m. UAV photogrammetry workflow revisited. Here, the workflow of photogrammetric data acquisition with UAVs will be examined and analyzed, taking into account new findings or developments, says INTERGEO. Includes georeferencing, just push the button. More than just XYZ on the automatic interpretation of 3D point clouds, UAV sensors and their calibration, and from points to 3D models, a short story of man, machine, and AI. Wednesday, October 11, 2023, 09:30 a.m. 11:00 a.m. UAV applications in public sector. From bridge inspection to documenting and preserving cultural heritage sites, experts discuss whether the technology is up to the job and if laws and regulations allow it. Wednesday, October 11, 2023, 11:30 a.m. 12:15 p.m. Use cases, applications, and innovations. Multimodal UAV data in environmental monitoring and the fusion of different data sources. The possibilities of multispectral systems for agriculture to increase agricultural yields. Wednesday, October 11, 2023, 12:45 p.m. 02:00 p.m. What's next? Outlook to the future. Autonomous flying robotic swarms. The future of autonomous aviation and U-space. Unmanned systems offers a unique opportunity to dive deep into the world of UAV technologies and learn from experts. The number of participants is limited. There is a fee for the event. When you're there, take the time to check out our friends, partners, and heroes on the exhibit floor. Autel Robotics, commercial drone manufacturer. Hall 5.2, Beef D5, 020. Blue Marble Geographics, advanced photogrammetric software. Hall 1.2, Booth C1, 044. Carlson Software, Inc. CAD design software for construction and mining applications. Hall 27, Booth V27, 28. DJIGMB, commercial drone manufacturer. Hall 27, Booth C27, 54. Flyability, drones for confined spaces. Hall 27, Booth G27, 20. Paras Aero Technologies, autonomous drone safety technology. Hall 5.2, Beef D5, 017. Simactive, makers of the Correlator 3D mapping platform. Hall 27, Booth A27, 01.